Buongiorno, today we are going to prepare cappelletti on Romagna style. We have the flour for the pasta, whole eggs and yolk, ricotta, Parmesan for the filling. Sarah brought us the pasta machine, so we are ready to prepare and we have everything. Let's go. So we prepare the pasta, we have the filling. Sarah is ready with the piping bag. We have everything, so we roll the pasta. And then with the machine we will prepare thin sheets and then cut into disc the size of 7 centimeter more or less, and then we will put on the center of the disc the stuffing folded and form a half moon shapes. Then take the two hands, press them together and we'll have a cappelletto. So we have the sheets, we cut with the 7 centimeter mold, and now we fill. We put the stuffing in the middle, here we are, form a half moon, put the two ends together and we have the cappelletto, and we repeat this operation more and more until we have all the production ready. This has been made for a simple reason. This year is the 200 years of Pellegrino Artusi, the famous Italian writer. So with the IDIC, the International Day of Italian Cuisine, we prepared this traditional recipe that is usually served in a cup of broth. But in Tartufo, that is our host, and thank you for Fabio Capellano that is so kind to help us in this event. We prepare also inside the form of Parmesan cheese and with truffle. This is a fantastic way how to prepare the cappelletti. The portion here is for my son, so don't think this is the normal portion size. This is the family size. We put some Parmesan on the top and of course some truffle. It's a fantastic recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Have fun. Ciao, buon appetito!